So guys, first you have to come this site dell.com, this officially website, so you can download the latest driver. After that, click on support, then driver and download, then enter the model number Dell Inspiron 3452 and then click search. So this is your laptop. Now this is a two method to install the automatic update, so just click on it. Otherwise this is a manually. If you are facing the specific device like cameras and internet and Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, so you have to select this. Select the operating system which is you are using. Okay, and if you can see Windows 11 is not showing here, and if you are using Windows 11, so you no worry, you just select the Windows 10. It will support the Windows 11. Okay, and then click on categorize. Scroll down. So you can see the chipset. Okay, chipset driver, and this is download icon, so click on it. So after that you can see it will start downloading 10 MB. So when it is completed, single click to open, then click on yes. Then you can extract to your hard disk. After that install. If not, so you can install also directly. So click on install, then next, accept, install. So now you can see this is in the progress, and then okay, close it, restart your system.